guys, it's just Specs again. I'm going to quickly show you around Modena Hair Institute, just so you can get a feel for it and see what to expect when you come round.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, good, thanks.
If you look at the office, it's not, your typical doctor's office or medical office.
Yeah.
It's set up for, one patient, one purpose alone. That's for us to do our hair transplant surgeries. So we've tried to go a little away from being super clinical to, just being somewhere where it's a calm environment. It's discreet. We do get a lot of celebrity clientele, and they don't want to be walking into the hair transplant office.
Yeah.
It's a little bit more, kind of calm, not a lot of branding everywhere.
We're going to be watching a patient get repaired today who went for a surgery locally, and essentially the doctor had very limited involvement at all, which is why I kind of try and only work with surgeons such as Dr. Yazdan, who is an IAHRS accepted member, because he's heavily involved and he performs the surgery all himself.
From talking to you before, I think the goal is for you to reestablish a good hairline for you and add density going all the way towards the crown. We have some grafts that were placed here. Some of them have what's called pitting. There's a little hole or a little crater at the bottom, and that was, that usually happens when they place the grafts too deep. So my goal is to also try to mask some of this pitting with the procedure, but to try to get as many grafts as we can to fix this. So in my practice, I'm involved in every aspect of the surgery. I'm hands deep in the surgery, doing the procedure. We're gonna extract the grafts from this whole area that I have marked off, minus just a little bit above the strip incision. We're just extracting the grafts out here. I made some punches. What you'll see is how easy these grafts are coming out and how good they look. There's a lot of tissue around them. They look very healthy, they're not transected, and there's multiple follicles. So I want to redesign the hairline. He has a little bit of what's called pitting here from his previous surgery. I'm gonna do something to mask that and make it look a little bit better. And these incisions are gonna determine also the angle and the direction of the hair and how they're gonna grow.
Feel anything,
Yeah, no discomfort, no bleeding.
No bleeding, didn't take any Advil, whatever
Yeah, any painkillers? You didn't require any?
I was really fine.
That's fantastic. Oh,
make sure that the practice that you're gonna go to, they specialize in hair transplant and that's all they do. I just do hair. That's what you want to go to. And there's a group of physicians and surgeons like myself that this is all we do. Those are the guys you wanna go to. Go to organizations like IAHRS, The Bald Truth, go to specshair.com.
So an absolute thumbs up from Specs with regards to Dr. Yazdan and the Modena Clinic in its entirety. So watch this space.